Okay, let's do number 14 on page 32. Okay, number 14 says n cubed, you may not be able to see this writing very well on the video, n cubed plus 125 all over n plus 5. Okay, remember we have to make this look like an a cubed and this look like a b cubed. They have to be to the same power. So our n cubed is already n cubed, but we have to make our b cubed. Well, what is 25 to the third root or whatever you say? Well, I have a notion that it's 5. Let's see, 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is like 25. It's like having 5 quarters. That's 125. So that is right. A cubed plus b cubed all over a plus b. See? N plus 5. So now we're going to predict by using our tapering. Remember how we explained that? So we're going to say, well, I know it's a sum over a sum, so that tells me that if it's an odd number of powers, which it is, I don't have to worry about a remainder. That's good. What about when I have a sum in my divisor? Well, that tells me it's got to be alternate, plus, minus, plus in my answer. So I'm just going to remember that. I'm going to step down. My first a will be a step below, n squared. Then b comes into play. So it'll be a steps down to just n, and b steps in to just plain b. Okay, now a is out of play. This one is out of play. And b steps up to b squared. Now what do you have? You've got a squared on one end, b squared on the other. That should be our answer. So let's check that. N squared plus 5n plus 5 squared. That's what I think our answer will be. So I would suggest you do a long division from, oh, look what I just forgot. I forgot the sign rule. Check page 31 and read it again if you don't remember it, like me. Okay, we had a plus, then a minus, then a plus. If it had been an a minus b, they say when it's a minus on the bottom, you don't have to worry about this, but when it's a plus on the bottom, you got to do plus to that one, minus.